Hey guys, Super Guys here. Today I'll be unboxing a brand new keyboard I just bought. It's also a mechanical keyboard. This is the RAZER Black Widow Tournament Edition. This is my old keyboard here. Had it for about 4 years, I believe, and it still works. Don't get me wrong, it's great. It's just that I never find myself use the number pad, and I thought myself, since I play a lot of games, why not just get a gaming keyboard that does not have a number pad and potentially backlit display, but wasn't able to find any. So here it is. I bought the RAZER Black Widow Tournament Edition. I found it in the store and I thought, hey, it doesn't have the number pad and it's a little bit slimmer. Hopefully I can save some desk space. So here it is. So let me put the old keyboard away. And also with this one, there's a keyboard. You can disconnect the cable from the keyboard, so you can put it away. That way I can actually do more unboxing on my desk here without clutter, whatever, in front of the screen. So here it is. It's the RAZER box. I don't think this is their new box design because I've been noticing them. They have the year on it, and they have the ultimate whatever edition, whatever. So here it is. It's a mechanical key. Some of the benefits is a full mechanical key with the 50-gram actuation force, 1000 hertz sampling rate, and roll over. Another one of the interesting feature that I was looking into is the Windows key can be disabled in the gaming mode, which is fantastic because during gameplay, for example, a game like Eve, you don't want to hit the window key and get yourself out of the game accidentally and lose your ship that actually has a real world value. You definitely don't want that to happen. I love mechanical keyboard, but they last a long time, so you can't have an excuse to upgrade them. I really like RAZER's overall package design. Here's packaging, the little snake thingy, and says for gamer by gamers. Okay, cardboard box. Here we go. And then you have this pouch, like felt tipped. Again, very nice, sort of matte black with sort of vinyl black, the three-headed snake design. It says for gamers by gamers, razerzone.com, Synapses 2.0. That's with this kind of flashcards. Black Widow Tournament Edition, manuals, blah, does not include a disc, so needs to download that. Even though they could throw in a CD, but yeah, whatever. Don't really care. Put that aside, and let's look at the keyboard. So Velcro, like velvet pouch, cord, and here's the keyboard. So one of the big issues I have with the DAS keyboard, first is the weight. It's not like I travel with it, but you know, move it back and forth. I just want to make sure it's easier to move. The RAZER, it's not that much lighter or less dense, but it definitely fixed the second issue. Oh, it's not. Is it flat? It is. Just want to make sure it's flat. The second issue I have with the DAS keyboard is the glossy mirror-like finish that you get fingerprint, grind, whatever. This is a black matte plastic, as you can see. So it's more fingerprint resistant, I hope. And let's give a tour around. So here is the USB connector. It's just a standard mini USB connector. It adds a little bit of thickness here. And on the back, you have the legs flipped open. Very solid click sound. I usually use it without the legs, but this might be a different form factor as the RAZER. And unfortunately, it's not backlit. I wish they would make this a backlit keyboard. And let's give it a. I don't know which the MX switch you use. Maybe the blue one. It's definitely not as heavy as the DAS keyboard. It has a less crisp sound, has a more deeper boom sound, and it's easier very similar. It's just, and I like the font that's on it. Almost exactly like the dash keyboard layout and width without the number pad. And then basically you have media key when you're using the function with the function key. Function, in addition to the function, the 12 function keys, you get media control, and then there's the gaming mode. There's a brightness adjustment, but I think this is for the operating system. I don't know, it's a little bit not flat. Okay. This is very, very sad. The damn thing is not flat. While we're here, because I recently got started in 3D printing, I bought a lot of the calibration tools. And one of the must-have for any do-yourself 3D printer is the caliper, digital caliper. This, the millimeter mode, basically. Oh, that's soft. It's basically 21 millimeter, 21.02 millimeter on this side. And 1314, so that's about 0.12 millimeter off. Oh, this is gonna annoy the crap out of me. But this keyboard is not flat. That's a disappointment. Well, I might bring it back to have them swap it out and see if it's just my draw of luck that the keyboard is not flat. I like the form factor. I like the font that's used on the keys. I like the clickiness of the mechanical keys here. I definitely like the matte finish. I like the Windows key can be disabled in gaming mode. I do not like that. So there you have it. I'll give you an update how the exchange saga goes with this. I thank God I bought it from a local retailer, not from online, because then, more trouble mailing it back and stuff. I thought I would love this. This is my first try to RAZER product, and I'm very disappointed so far with the build quality of not flat. You're building a keyboard, and it sits on some flat surface. It needs to be flat. And anyway, if you have any suggestions or comments, please let me know, and I will try to respond to them. And thanks for watching, and please like my video and subscribe to my channel. Bye.